Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Talk with Darius, where we discuss the latest and the greatest news and technology. Today we're talking about smart cities in the US and actually globally, and how the emergence of smart cities actually started over a decade ago and how that has changed today. So, as I mentioned before, the concept of smart cities started over a decade ago, and in general, a smart city integrates technology to make day-to-day life a lot easier and enjoyable for its occupants. Some examples of smart city technology would be removing congestion in the city, decreasing pollution in the city, creating reliable energy and water supply. So basically, a smart city would use foresight to improve livability, sustainability, and resilience so residents can enjoy today while preparing for uncertainties of tomorrow. The smart city concept started as a solution based idea for private sectors to sell products and services to the cities. This idea and mindset eventually switched over to the public sector, where the federal government actually started investing in an initiative to help local governments partake into the smart city. This is how it switched over to the public sector. The idea of smart cities during this time largely focused on the Internet of Things, and today, smart cities technology will include not only the Internet of Things, but artificial intelligence, as well as wireless technology. We're talking about 6G wireless technology to basically keep the city connected. We've mentioned before, but each city has its own problems and issues. So um, the smart cities would be unique, and they would be custom tailored to that city to solve that city's problems or issues. We have seen small applications of smart cities within the U.S., specifically the smart highway that is being built in Michigan. They're using basically cameras, radar sensors, and wireless technology to make the highways safer in Michigan, and it would reduce traffic as well as congestion, and also update drivers on road hazards or road work happening on that highway. This is just one of the examples of the smart technology that's happening in the U.S. Also, in a couple of the cities around the U.S., like Dallas, Texas, and Washington, D.C., they're using smart streetlights to make the cities more safer, as well as artificial intelligent cameras. So this helps reduce crime. The smart streetlights come on maybe when they detect motion or at a certain time, and those areas we see a decrease in crime. Additionally, the smart streetlights and the artificial intelligence camera also help with surveillance. So it helps, the city keep track of what's going on inside, Dallas, Texas, or Washington, D.C., or any of the cities in the U.S. that use this. But these are very, very small initiatives and small steps and, small investments in smart technology. But when we go to other parts of the world, like the Gulf, like the Saudi Arabia, United Emirates, they're making large investments. When we talk large investments, we're talking millions and billions of dollars. So the Gulf Corporation Council countries have launched large-scale projects backed by billions of dollars. Saudi Arabia's NEOM project, which has a model of a home for people who dream big, will be a hub for innovation in Saudi Arabia. Although the project has slowed down some, its project is expected to complete in 2030. Neom will use a sustainable energy. It will have no roads or cars, and everything will be within walking distance. They're saying you'll be able to walk within 5 minutes and be accessible to everything that you need. Um, Likewise, in the United Arab Emirates, they've also invested $19 billion in their Masdar city, which is a green urban development in Abu Dhabi. The Gulf is not playing. They're definitely investing large amounts of money in smart cities or basically cities that are sustainable on their own, and they're incorporating, like we talked about, artificial intelligence. They're incorporating 6G wireless technology, and in some of these cities they're incorporating drone delivery technology. So smart cities is definitely a thing of the future, and it will be here before we know it. The smart city in Saudi Arabia, Neom, is supposed to be here in 2030, and that's 6 years away. So it's a lot closer than what we think. And we see, and we've talked about how we see small initiatives in the U.S., but I wouldn't be surprised if one of the more up-to-date cities like New York or Washington, D.C. starts to invest largely in the smart city technology. But that's all that I have for you today. I hope you found this video informative. If so, please like and leave a comment. Let me know what your thoughts are on smart cities, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.